Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on VWO. Now VWO helps you to automate data experiences and maximize conversations. That's right, your customer is evolving every day, so you can decode their evolving behaviors, fine-tune with robust A/B testing, and personalize experiences that hits home. Boost conversions across your websites and mobile apps through data-driven UI and server-side enhancement. You want to try for free? Click here. While you put a demo, click here. This is it. Talking about business easy to analyze, optimize, and personalize their websites, apps, and features. You can see a lot of companies that use this and businesses. So you get comprehensive experimentation platform, end-to-end optimization of entire digital user journeys to deliver exactly what your customer wants. You just write what your customer needs and it will be given to you. So you can see testing, behavior analysis, so many great things you can get from it. Under capabilities, under pricing, we also have it. Solutions, why should you choose it? To proven products, guaranteed success, thoughtful technology, you get enhanced smart start, integration, load time, performance, visual, editor, and so much more. Let's go back. So you want to business needs, just tell what you want your business, what your business needs from here. You can just choose one over here that corresponds with what you need. So experiment, observe, personalize. It is fueled by robust customer data platform powered by VWO's cutting-edge technology, which is lightning fast. You can see so many great things you get from it. Helps you work smarter, scale faster. It is about the heavy lifting of optimization, suggesting what to test, creating variations, and revealing key insights, so your team can focus on making strategic decisions that drive results. You can explore all their AI-driven optimization here. So it helps you discover user insights and optimization ideas, quickly turn ideas into new experiences, unlock hidden segments and opportunities using VWO Copilot. Helps you build your optimization program across all teams, product managers, engineers, growth managers, UX analytics. So deliver experiences that your users love. Create wow experiences using your user data. So so many good things you can get from it. You can optimize what matters to you. So it can be used for any stock, any metric, any device. You can see any device. You can see what it does in a nutshell. You can also pin down friction areas by observing user behavior. Take a closer look at them. Helps you build experiences in high power scripts and SDKs. So it also runs unlimited optimization at scale. It runs unlimited optimization at scale. Users, concurrent campaign session, recording situations, metrics, so many things. Just everything under one roof. Visual editor, code editor, SDK based testing. You enjoy all that. Get to identify changes that boost your key metrics. It has over a decade of experience in optimization. Zero compromises on privacy, security, and compliance. Secure, it is private, it's compliant. It is designed to be enterprise ready and scalable. Built to scale, industry best support, unmatched performance. You can get this ebook to know more. So what are you waiting for? Get started with VWO today. Request a demo or try it for free.